For builders trying to connect the smart home systems, the varying protocols of devices can make the task difficult.
Interoperability, simply put, is devices that work together with no customer or other type of interaction. It just simply works. Okay. Well, things don't.
During the Investigating Interoperability Issues and Protocols session at the 2016 TecHome Builder Summit, industry experts discussed the ways to work through the challenges and importance of making sure a home network is reliable.
It's the next utility. It really is the utility that is in the house now. The homeowner expects it's going to work, and they have very, very little patience for it not working.
Many homeowners now have no tolerance for their network going down and would even sacrifice other utilities to keep their internet working. Part of keeping the network functioning is ensuring there is proper signal strength throughout the house. Wi-Fi signals do not transmit well through building materials, so larger houses would need multiple nodes to maintain a high-quality network throughout.
What we talk about now is having several access points that are all hardwired, and they all come back to the head end. And that way, as the homeowner moves around the house, their device drops off of one access point and picks up the next. And no matter where they go, they get equal strength.
When working with Wi-Fi, it's important to understand that it's only a transport layer, meaning it can send information but cannot process it. In order to get devices to work together within a network, they must share an application layer, such as a Zigbee or Z-Wave.
That's the essential crux of the problem in trying to get interoperability, is the application layer is either not defined or is defined differently than someone else's application layer. So the transport works fine. I got the message. I don't know what to do with it, so I ignore it.
Regardless of the protocol used, network security cannot be overlooked. It would be wise to do your due diligence to make sure you're working with vendors that can reliably provide security updates to their firmware without risking the network going down.
They can push out updates from the cloud straight to our devices and get the thing updated. But boy, does that put some due diligence on us now as installers and you guys as builders, because if they push out bad firmware, you may have 500 homes that all go down at one time. And now what's your client care expectation?
Another thing to determine is the best user interface and whether to go with single or multi-use app control. Single-use apps are great for reducing clutter and ease of use, but individual apps may not integrate well, and the benefits of those apps may be eliminated in a different platform. The right option may change with each different situation.
Look to the brands you're currently working with and ask them the questions. What are you doing? What's it interoperable with? How are we going to control it? And hopefully work with the brands. You're already working with them. Work with the brands and find the integrators that will help make this stuff successful.
Dive in, because otherwise somebody else is, and your first to market advantage, your differentiation between your competitors, you've lost.
Hagerman and Klein say interoperability is likely going to get harder before it gets easier, but consumers are asking for it. And when consumers are asking for something that's difficult, it presents an opportunity worth seizing. For TecHome Builder, I'm Tony Consiglio.